Rivian is making headlines again, but this time it's not for a new vehicle release. The company just announced it's cutting about 1.5% of its global workforce, which equals to about 1,500 jobs. But the big question is, where will these job cuts happen? And the answer is likely at Rivian's Normal, Illinois plant, which employs about 7,000 people. Now, Rivian says these job cuts are a way to improve efficiency, as the company focuses on its new R2 vehicle, a lower-cost SUV that's set to begin production next year. Basically, Rivian needs to make sure it has enough money and resources to focus on making the R2 a success, because if the R2 fails, then Rivian could go under. And that's why Wall Street analysts were so quick to pounce on this news, because it's an indication that Rivian is feeling the financial pressure to succeed. But what do you think? Is Rivian on the right track by focusing on the R2, or should it be more cautious about job cuts?